Meaning of growing.
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 Growing. Growing refers to the process of increasing in size, quantity or intensity over time. It can be applied to various areas such as population, economy, business, agriculture, or personal development. As something grows, it may become more complex, diverse, and challenging. The result of growth can be both positive and negative. It can bring opportunities, prosperity, innovation, diversity, creativity, and progress. However, it can also lead to problems such as environmental degradation, resource depletion, inequality, and social conflicts. Therefore, managing growth in a sustainable and equitable way is important for achieving long-term well-being.